little shop right off of the highway. There's the highway right there. Cute. Oh, it's called Candy Kites. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? It's inviting. What a cute little shop. Ooh, look, there's the fisherman. Oh my gosh, I could go crazy with all of this. Hello. Hiya! Oh, look at that, lovely. Oh, it's so pretty. So we stopped at the boathouse and we stopped for fish and chips, and it's off of Highway 1, still in California at Bodega Bay. So look at this. There was like 4 lots of fish and some chips. In America we call them French fries, but being British I call them chips. That's tartar sauce. I'm not a lover of tartar sauce. That's the ketchup, and here's a lemon. But I'm telling you guys, this fish is like really, really hot. So they make it when you get here. And being English, malt vinegar is the best. You gotta have vinegar on your fish and chips, right? Anyway, it's really hot, so I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'll come back and let you know how it was. All right. Guys, I had to show you this. Look at, I mean, being from England, I love fish and chips. But I've got to tell you, look at that fish. And I already ate one. That is like fresh fish. It is absolutely delicious. I had to show you guys that part of it. This is so good. I love it. Yum, 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 yum. So here you go, guys. I finished the fish and chips. Does that show you how good it was? If I lived here, I would like be eating this every single day. Seriously. I didn't even need a fork. So if you are out on Bodega Bay on Highway 1, you definitely need to stop at the Boathouse restaurant. You will not be disappointed. Thanks, Boathouse. That was absolutely delicious. Well, all good things must come to an end, and today is my last day at Bodega Bay. Thank you for Bodega Bay. What a beautiful, beautiful place. I do have something to tell you guys though. I used to live half an hour away from Bodega Bay, and I used to come here like every weekend until we moved to Montana. But it still is beautiful. There's just something about the ocean that is really, really peaceful. So thanks Bodega Bay for a great couple of days. And thank you for supporting my channel. If you liked this vlog, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. Until our next adventure, take care, love one another, and I will see you all soon. Bye.